Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqobile ngiphethela amazwibela eNimba ngomhla ka-21 July. Guys, uZoleka umlindi kahle Lazarus athi kubuyela endlini, athi kwehlisa umoya kancane, ebese-ke eyaya kuyena-ke uzokhuluma naye phela like husband and wife. Ufike nje wathi, Lazarus, ngampela what were you thinking ukuthi ungavumela uLwandle angene lapha eKhosela Tech emva kwalento ayenzile kulikamva? Ukube ngampela ulikamva wawumthatha njengonyana wakho, ngampela you wouldn't let that filthy dog work with us laphaya eKhosela Tech. Hayi-ke guys, Lazarus wayidefenda ubhuti wathi, no, this has nothing to do with ulikamva. Mina lento engiyenzayo ngiyenzela ibhizinisi. Uyazi ukuthi uZondo uyawantshontsha ama-client ethu kancane. Kuqale kwaba i-Capital Bank, kwalandela i-Jozi Power, manje kuyi-Afribank. Ufuna kuze kahle kuze kuphele wonke ama-client ethu, kumele simgadle impela engazelele. Futhi sengibone kahle, akumelanga sifune u-10% laphaya kulama shares, kumele sifune u-20%, senze sure ukuthi simudla la kubuhlungu ngakhona. Yabona nje ngisho ubaba imbala uzobona ukuthi le idea is a perfect one. Bathi ngampela ubuntu bakho buyephi? Yazi mina sengibonile ukuthi sicabanga ngendlela engafani. Mina ngicabangela umndeni, ngicabangela i-loyalty. Wena kuyacaca ukuthi ucabangela ibhizinisi nemali. Wathi cha, ngiyakubona ukuthi wenze njani manje. Awusakhulumi njenge-business woman, usukhuluma njengo-wife. Angifuni ukuthi ufake ama-emotions kuyona yonke lento le. This is business, okay? And-ke njengoba ngishilo, as a CEO, yes, kodwa-ke akumelanga ukuthi usithathe wedwa lesi sinqumo. Akusisona isinqumo sakho wedwa lesi, isinqumo sethu sobabili. Mina ngithi yebo, siyamqasha uLwandle, uma kuthi aphikisana nalokho, hayi ke. Guys, uhambile ufonela ubaba wakhe, nobaba wakhe wacabanga ukuthi it's a perfect idea ukuthi-ke bamthathe uLwandle bamfake ngaphansi kwekhwapha ukuze baqumbe phansi izitha zabo. Washo-ke ukuthi impela baba, ngizowenza njalo, ngizoyithatha le opportunity because akusizi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sibone iKhosela Tech kanye neNgcukara Industries iwa iqunjwa phansi uZondo, sibe sinazi ikhali esingase siyisebenzise in future ukumqumba phansi nathi. Uthe before we know it mhlambe sobe sesi-ona yonke iZondo Technologies, ebese senza sure ukuthi-ke asibi nesitha ever again esoloke sisidla ithende now and then. Yo guys, hayi-ke akupheli-ke lapho. Uqhawekazi belelele yonke i-conversation kaZoleka benoLazarus. Naye-ke bathe sebese-ofisini wathi uku-eda 1 or 2 points phela elekelela unina esho ukuthi, hey, lo muntu lo wangibulalela ubhuti wami, how dare you, how could you? Wamane wathi Lazarus, yey, hamba wenza umsebenzi owuholelayo girl. Angizi ukuthi ngithini kwena, sengikhulumile. Ngithi lento imayelana nebhizinisi. When you have nothing to do with izinto ey'phathelene ne-executives, focusa kulokho okuqashelwe. Lazarus waqede wathi ungivalele isicabha mase uphume e-ofisini lami. Okay, qhawekazi wabona ukuthi okay, Lazarus is another man, and this man is not the man that she is happy to see or to sit down with and have a conversation. Waphuma ugel wahamba. Guys, uLazarus-ke uke wahlala phansi-ke noLwandle washo ukuthi lalela, angifuni u-10% mina, ngifuna u-20. Hayi, wathi uLwandle, 20? Wathi yes, ngifuna wonke u-20% wama-shares. Wathi mese mina ngitholani-ke? Ngeke phela nginikele ngento enkulu kangaka bese mina ngiqede nje kube i-conversation phela, kungabi khona into ebambekayo. Kumele phela mase sisibanjwa ukuthi nginikezele ama-shares, ngazi ukuthi nami ikusasa lami livikelekile. So uzonginikani? Lalela-ke, ungazuzungitshela ukuthi uzonginikani, mina ngiyazi ngifunani. Ngifuna unginikezeke i-position la eKhosela Tech, senior engineer. Ngifuna ibe permanent futhi, okay? Wathi okay, kanti-ke ngingakunikeza oku-extra. Yabo mengase wenze sure ukuthi i-contract laphaya ye-Afribank, is it Afribiz? Yes, Afribiz, ayisayini neZondo Technologies. Wenze sure ukuthi uthola yonke information ukuthi bamthembise ini uMr Mkhize, ebese kunami ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze i-offer ethe ukuba ngcono kuneyabo, ngimbuyise back uMr Mkhize la eKhosela Tech. Yabo mongenzele lokho, ngiyakunikeza ngisho nami i-percentage nyana. Ayi, nangampela guys, uLwandle wathi ushentshweni, wahamba waya le eZondo Technologies, waya kwi-laptop kamawethu eyobheka phela i-contract ye-Afribiz. Uthe mefika khona, hayi, uma wethu ublockile ubhuti, wabhlokha, akuveli ngisho. maqhamuka umawethu wathi wenza ntoni apho? Desk lami, laptop yami, wenzani? Wathi hhayi, bengifuna i-contract ye-Afribees. Wathi uyifunela ntoni? Kwi-laptop yami, lalela la, ungaba ne-shares la apha eZondo Technologies, but akukunikezi igunya lokuthi ungene uphuma kuma-laptops ethu, okay? Wena i-office lakho le ngaphandle, hhayi la, le territory yami. Phuma ndoda, phuma. Nangampela waphuma guys olwandle. Kanti uphuma nje, hhayi, uyakuyise uZondo. Wathi baba, awungitshele, ufuna ngifunde kanjani mina ukwenza izinto la enkampanini yakho uma ukuthi kunezinto engamelanga ngibe ne-access kuzona? Wathi ukhuluma ngani ndodana? Wathi wena uthe ifa lami leli, kusasa yimina ozobe phethe la. Kodwa mengincintshwa i-information encane kangaka uthi ngizoliphatha kanjani leli ifa leli kusasa? Guys uZondo. Wathi ubani omncisha i-information? Athi uma wethu akafuni ngithole i-contract yase-Afribees. Wathi sonjiqa. Hey. Wafika guys uma wethu yathi, yes Mr. Zondo. Wathi ongitshele mfana wami, kungani ungamnikezi ulwandle i-contract yase-Afribees? Wathi hhayi sir, ukuthi yena angithi akusiwona umsebenzi wakhe, mina udila nayo yonke lento. Othi engeke mfana wami, ngathi ufuna ukudila nayo yonke into wena. Nikeza abanye ithuba bakwazi ukuphungulela umsebenzi ukuze wena ufocuse kwizinto ey'nkulu ey'balulekile. Njengamanje kumele sithole i-Alluvium. Hayi bo guys, Alluvium i-client enkulu yalapha eKhosela Tech. uZondo yabo mebemqumba phansi angeke ngisamdabukela ngoba unomhobholo like akadeli, ufuna ukuqeda yonke into neKhosela Tech. Uyabona ukuthi this is not about business anymore, it's about i-vengeance. Ufuna i-revenge ngokuthi phela bamqumba phansi bamgxosha. Hayi ngeke guys, this has nothing to do with ukuthi manje okay, siyaphila, siyasurvive, kungena imali ebhizinisini. Ngathi ufuna nje ukuthi hayi ebahudulele odakeni eKhosela Tech. That's where he's going to be like, yabo ngi-satisfied. Uzoba satisfied the moment ebona ukuthi iKhosela Tech is done and out. Yo guys, wathi emva kwa-Alluvium ngifuna uphinde futhi uqoqe wonke ama-client lapha eKhosela Tech. Abuze umawethu athi, boss, ngathi sesilume ngaphezu kwalokho esingakuhlafuna, awuboni kanjalo? Wathi lalela-ke, mekuwukuthi leli qatha sililumile likhulu kakhulu alihlafuneki, kuzomele siqashe abantu abaningi ukuze sikwazi ukuthi silihlafune. Imagine umhobholo kaZondo guys. Wathi ngicela nje okwamanje unikeze indodana wami i-contract yase-Afribees, wena ufocuse kokunye. Lapho uyahleka ulwandle ngenhliziyo, uyasho ukuthi yazi nginikeza le contract yona kanye ezongisiza ukuthi ngithole indawo lapha eKhosela Tech bese ngiyaqeda ngale nkampanyana yakho oqhosha ngayo kangaka. Yo guys, Zondo is under attack and he doesn't even know about it. Guys, akupheli lapho ke. Le kaMabandla uyayilwa indaba uthumeka yokuthi kungayiwa kwi-graduation. Uthemethi uhlathi i-final word yami ithi cha, asiyindawo sonke. Kusasa ngizohamba ngofonela abantu be-university ngibatshela ukuthi asizi. Wamlinda kahle ephuma endlini. Uthumeka wathatha ifoni kaHlathi, wathatha inamba yase-university, wabafonela yedwa separately engekho uHlathi. Washo ukuthi siyaya sonke. Waqede lapho wathola namathikithi extra awu-5 ukuze bakwazi phela ukuthi ba-celebrate ulikamva. Qede lapho wabiza uZethu, washo ukuthi she is invited to this graduation ceremony. uZethu wajabula naye, waqeda waxoxela uXolani. Kuthe uHlathi esehleli laphaya noXolani benobhuti wakhe uThulani, washo ukuthi hayi, i-graduation asikuyona, sonke nje sizobe sila ekhaya, i-certificate bazosikhoriya. Wathi uXolani njani kaloku, ngoba mina bekade ngihleli noZethu namhlanje wangixelela uba siyahamba ngoLwesine siya kwi-graduation sonke as usapho. Hayi bo, ukusho lokhu nje uHlathi useshaqekile, nanguThumeka uyangena emnyango. Wabuza wathi, wethumeka, khona into ofuna ungixelela yona? Wathi uThumeka, hayi enjengantoni? What about likamva's graduation? Wathi oh, bendizokuxelela mesiqeda isapha. Wathi ningixelele ntoni? Wathi hayi siyahamba sonke as umndeni. Wathi ukwenze kanjani lokho? Wathi ngithathile ifoni yakho ngafonela e-university ngasho ukuthi siyeza. Hayi, wamane wadangala uHlathi, wabona ukuthi yeyeye lo muntu wesifazane umaphunyuka bemphethe. Uthi umtshela lokhu, akutsheli lokhu. Uthi uyamvala mbe, hamana putshuruke ngala, avule enye intuba yokuphuma. that is Thumeka for you guys. Usemane nje wahlela yonke into uhlathe ngazi, and nje into esisele manje ukuthi bonke bagqoke ezumndeni bahambe beye kwi-graduation kalikamva, even though uhlathethe ndimi indoda apha, isigqibo sam si-final, kephi khona Thumeka isigqibo sakhe si-final because yena akakhulumi kakhulu, uya-actor. Kuyekushiwo kuthiwa action speaks louder than words. Hhayi-ke uThumeka is a good example of that. Guys, aphela lapho kamazibela namhlanje, ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe, but like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys.